nice to see you once again on my channel. Let's go to Kenya. Everyone, what's the news today? Are you excited? Today I will introduce a special place. This is an introduction to the Kitale Nature Conservancy of Kenya. Kitale Nature Conservancy of Kenya is dedicated to provide a comfortable home to animals with physical abnormalities. Founded by Mr. Mzee Boniface Ndura, the sanctuary situated in Kitale, Trans Nzoia County, has since 2006 cared for animals, friends including dogs, cows, donkeys, and owls who have missing limbs or other irregularities. Mr. Ndura has said, "I know these animals were created by the Almighty God just as we human beings were created, and thus they also have a right to live." Okay, let me stop explaining about it. Because you are more curious and interested in the park, then let's go with me.
Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Go to Kenya YouTube channel. Today I'll show you one of the famous zoo sites in Kenya located in Kitale. It is called Kitale Nature Conservancy KNC. Kitale Nature Conservancy KNC is situated 6 km from Kitale on the road to Kapenguria. It was founded by Boniface Ndura, who came up with an idea of keeping genetically mutated animals in the year 2006. This KNC is the destination for foreigners and ecotourism from various parts of the world, especially education tours. It also acts as a laboratory for teaching students. This KNC is the best place to catch up with nature abnormalities and where you can find animals with disability kept in a clean and well-nourished environment. Have you ever seen the most deformed animals on this planet Earth? Have you had a glimpse to the most relaxed caged animals, including lions, on a diet? Well, this is the place to be with the most experienced tour guides and facilities for the conferencing. The entrance is imposing, around that timber structure that accommodates a bar, restaurants, and relaxation areas and sits over the entrance road. There is a parking place. Reception area is a gate which leads to the mixed attraction on offer. The attraction includes an arboretum with 800 species of trees, nature trails, some cultivating birds, recreation, sports field, boating on the small ponds, and some mutant animals. All are available on payment of the entrance fee. For an additional fee, horse riding can be done. Also, planned are areas to view snakes and crocodiles. They also have lions, baboons, hyena, ostrich, crocodiles, and some exotic birds. Kitale Nature Conservancy is a unique natural park, easily accessible from Kitale town. It is right on the road, so you can use public transport. Gate charges are fair. Various creatures are found here, such as ostriches, species animals with deformities, such as cows, hens, cows with 3 legs or 5 heads. Various trees and birds are plenty for the bird watching enthusiasts. I hope you find this place fit to feed your curiosity. The entrance fee is 150 shillings to Kenyan citizens and 500 shillings to foreigners. The parking fee is 150 shillings. Kitale Nature Conservancy is a nice place to walk around. You can hear the true sounds of nature. The Nature Conservancy is very green and lushy with a natural biblical theme displays such as mountains of the Bible and several religious statues towards the educational corner of the park. Man-made lakes with boats you can paddle around in, and nature trails, which is very exciting for all tourists, especially students and young kids. From the video, you can see the vast green pastoral field. This is the place where you can find different types of mutant animals and animals with abnormalities. You can see animals from afar. Let's draw near and observe these animals. These animals are brought from different places and parts of Kenya. Apart from grass, they are fed different kinds of food. These are Angole cows. Angole cattle originate mainly from western Uganda. The cattle are mainly fed on grass found in the vast land, and sometimes farmers gave them supplements to add on their diet. The cows are majorly known for their long horns that rise up to 8 feet from tip to tip. The legend says that the horns are meant for defense in case the cattle are attacked. The cattle are reared for both milk and meat purposes, although the skin can also be used for making natural regalia like drums, stools, sandals, and clothing. Kitale Nature Conservancy conserves many kinds of deformed animals. These are deformed cows. One has 6 legs and another one seems to have 4 legs, but one leg is deformed. But as you can see from the video, these are grazing just like any other normal cow. These are a deformed sheep with different abnormalities. One may wonder how they fed and grazed, but they are provided with enough pasture in this zoo. Kitale Nature Conservancy does not only keep animals with abnormalities. If you take a walk around the conservancy enjoying its environment, occasionally you will get to see some wild animals like wild colobus, lion, hyena, and crocodiles, fascinating Statunga swamp antelopes, rare brazos monkeys, and 370 species of birds. Look through the wire. What can you see? Yes, it is the male and female lion. Everyone knows that a lion is a wild carnivore, and you may wonder how these lions survive. These lions are provided with their food every evening. They are fed meat and bones of different animals prepared by an employed staff who always takes care of them and cleans their beddings. This cage houses white colobus. As you can see, they display a satanic black colobus due to its fierce facial expressions. Here, their diet is mainly leaves, fruits, and flowers. They have a large stomach that contains special bacteria needed to break down the leaves in their diet. In this zoo, they also eat a range of vegetables. They measure up to 72 centimeters, and their tails can measure a further 1 meter. They can weigh up to 14 kilograms. These white colobus have 4-chambered stomachs, allowing them to process food that would make any other primate sick. This one is the Statunga antelope. It gazes in this vast cage alone without its mate. Besides this grass, it is fed other supplements, food provided by the staff. These are crowned cranes. Superficially, cranes resemble herons, but usually are larger and have a partly naked head, more compact plumage, and an elevated hind toe. In flight, the long neck is stretched out in front, the stirrup-like legs trailing out behind. These cranes are opportunistic feeders that changes their diets according to their season and their own nutrients requirements. They eat a range of items from suitably sized small rodents, fish, amphibians, and insects to grain and berries. Cranes construct platform nests in a shallow water and typically lay 2 eggs at a time. Both parents help to rear their young, which remains with them until the next breeding season. These are male and female ostriches. The ostrich lies on its own legs, uniquely two-toed, with the main toe developed almost as a hoof to escape its enemies, chiefly humans and the larger carnivores. A frightened ostrich can achieve a speed of 72.5 km, 45 miles per hour. If concerned, it can deliver a dangerous kicks. Mature male ostriches, called rodents, have distinct black feathers covering their backs and around their sides, with white underside and tip of the tail. Females, called hens by contrast, are lighter brown. Ostriches live mainly on vegetation. They are omnivores, which means they eat both vegetation and meat. Although they prefer plants, especially roots, seeds, and leaves. They also eat locusts, lizards, snakes, and rodents. They can go without water for a long periods. Breeding males emit lion-like roars and hisses as they fight for a harem of 3 to 5 hens. A communal nest scraped in a ground contains more than a dozen shiny white eggs. Eggs are laid in a communal nest called a dam nest, which can hold about 60 eggs at one time. Males as well as females sit on the eggs until they hatch, which can take 42 to 46 days. The male sits on the eggs by night. The female takes turns during the day. To escape detection, chicks as well as adults may lie on the ground with a neck outstretched. Both male and female ostriches regularly snort, whistle, and snap their bills. But when scaring away a predator, especially at night, the male may make a loud noise, somewhat like a roar of a lion, to warn the herd that danger is lurking nearby. Let's go to the cage of crocodiles. This is the habitat of crocodiles. Being carnivores mainly, crocodiles have powerful jaws with mainly conical teeth and short legs with a crowned webbed toes. Crocodiles also have teeth that stick up over their upper lips when their mouths are closed. They share a unique body form that allows the eyes, ears, and nostrils to be above the water surface, while the most of the animals is hidden below. The tail is long and massive, and the skin is thick and plated. A crocodile's jaws can apply 5,000 pounds of the pressure per square inch. This means that they can bite through an arm or a leg with no problems. In addition to these strong jaws, crocodiles also have a very keen hearing. It is so good, they can hear their babies calling from inside their egg. Crocodiles are very fast swimmers, which helps them to catch their prey. They can swim up to 20 mph, 32 kph, and can hold their breath underwater for around 1 hour. On land, crocodiles aren't nearly as fast. These are white moles. A mole's diet primarily consists of earthworms and other small invertebrates found in the soil. The mole runs are in reality worm traps. The mole sensing when a worm falls into the tunnel and quickly runs along to kill and eat it. Because their saliva contains a toxin that can paralyze earthworms, moles are able to store their still living prey for later consumption. These white moles are also kept here for educational purposes like experiments. Look at this animal. It is the hyena, intelligent, curious, and opportunistic in matters of diet. Hyena frequently comes in contact with humans. This hyena is caged due to its wild trait. It can burglarize food store, steal livestock, occasionally kills people, and consumes wastes. This spotted hyena communicates using moans, yells, giggles, and whoops, and these sounds may carry several kilometers. Gestation is about 110 days. An annual litter size is usually 2 cubes. The spotted hyena hunts everything from young hippops to fish, though antelopes are more common. In East and Southern Africa, they kill most of their own food, chasing wildebeests, gazelles, and zebras up to 65 kilometers, 40 miles per hour for 3 kilometers. But here, they are fed with sufficient meat every evening once a day. This is a porcupine. It has a common trait. This obvious trait is the long, sharp and quills that cover their bodies. Porcupine uses the quills as a defense. They shake them, which makes them rattle as a warning to potential predators. If that doesn't work, they may charge backwards into the predator. The quills are loosely attached but cannot be thrown or projected. Today I have shown you Kitale Nature Conservancy KNC. Stay connected to my YouTube channel, and next time I'll come up with another tourist attraction site. Thank you.
How are you guys? There are various animals, but all animals are disabled. So all these animals are protected here. This is a very safe and peaceful place for animals. Part of the care the residents receive is weekly visit by veterinarians to make sure they are doing well. In addition, Mr. Ndura has also requested government authorities to research the situation, as the majority of the animals have been found to come from the same region of the county. The refuge is part of an area of 250 acres, which also contains a sizable botanical garden and nature walk of 3 kilometers through the wetlands. And here is boating. Today I have run out of the time, so I couldn't show you how to enjoy the boat riding. Next time I'll show you. Today you visited a very special place with me. Really meaningful and special place for animals. I will come back with another topic next time. Please watch this video to the end and click like. And if you have any question, please leave a question in the comments. Thank you. Have a great time today. Do not forget it. Let's go to Kenya. Bye bye.